Hello. Good morning, Chetna, Soumya. Am I audible? Please let me know in the comments. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. So we can start, right? I think people will join. Hi all. So good morning. So today we are starting our 5 a.m. club because today onwards, I think for the next 6 days, that means after after today we will be starting like as a regular follow after 7 days or 6 days we are following this kind of things in our life. So why I am started this 5 a.m. club because when we wake up at 5 a.m. we will get a lot of energy and we can able to do a lot of things in our life. So that is the reason I think I can created this group also because for our data community or any other communities because whoever want to kind of change in their life, change in the morning routines and all. So that is the reason created this one. Anyway, thank you for joining this one. I think 180 people are there, but only 4 people join. Really appreciate your effort to wake up in the morning and join this call. So I will tell you how I will guide you how the direction will happen. So tomorrow onwards, I will give you the 5:30 to 6 o'clock. We will dedicate it to time to plan our day. Okay. So that means when you come into the meeting, you have a notebook, then you have a pen, then you need to sometime you need to visualize and meditate. These kind of things we need to go for. So then only we can properly plan our day. Then what at the end you need to know how it will be because whatever the task you completed, you need to put a tick mark on that one. Then you can know at the end of the day how much you completed on the particular day or what are the places you are lagging. So there are a lot of books regarding to the 5 a.m. club. Why this 5 a.m. club is very important. Like I will give you the brief introduction. In the morning, the wake up at the morning, we will get extra hours. The second one will be the silence hour, that is Brahma Muhurta. So when you perform lot of things in the Brahma Muhurta, what will happen? It will help you to get more energy and in with the more silence. The universe will attract everything. So that is the reason this time is very important. If you wake up in the Brahma Muhurta and you sit as as much as possible. So that is the one thing. If you wake up before in the 5 a.m. or 4:30, but plus, you need some kind of hard work to achieve your success in your life. For example, visualization and reading the 10 pages of book or exercising. These are the important things you need to know in the Brahma Muhurta time. So, when this group will help you to join, gradually it will help you because I need to know tomorrow onwards. I will tell you, write your goal in your book so after 1 month of time, we can continue. Okay, we can continue this group till 1 month of time. So you need to know how much you can achieve in your life. So that is the thing we'll start tomorrow onward. So this is a trial class. I know the trial class containing only 5 people, right? No worries. Maybe the people will join. I will upload this recording also. So yeah, so today we have a thanks for joining this one. So I will give you how the things will be work like that. First thing will be we need to write. If you have any kind of book, like if you like history or if you like more meditation book or any other kind of book, take one book for the next 31 days and you need to read it at least 5 or 10 pages daily. So that is the first thing you need to make in your life. And the second thing, you need to start exercising. Okay, you need to start exercising if it is walking or any other gym workout, anything for 10 minutes or 20 minutes walking or anything need to start. These are the second changes you need to make in your life. And third changes will be visualizing. That means prioritize your goals or prioritize your task in a particular day that tomorrow onwards. Okay, you need to write it. That is a third thing. And fourth thing will be visualization. So the 10 minutes, I will give you some time to visualize. You can use that time to visualization because, for example, if someone has an idea, if they want to buy a good home, or if you want to buy a car, so that kind of visualization we need to make. Okay? So you need to at least 5 minutes of time we need to set the particular visualization and you think like you feel like that you are already achieve those kind of your dreams. Okay, so that will be the first stage. Then we will go into the meditation, 10 minutes or 5 minutes meditation, affirmation. So these are the things will happen tomorrow onwards. So that means on 30 minutes of time, we can compactably utilize for our future goals. Seems clear, right? Please give an F in the chat if you're clear the roadmap. Yes, thanks, Soumya. So the first thing will be wake up at 5 a.m. So you can take some time, 30 minutes of time to refreshing, or you just rubbing your hands also. Okay. When you're rubbing, if you feel not feeling good, you don't want to wake up at the morning. So just rub your hand, because when you rub your hand, what will happen? It will be contacted with the nerves and all. Okay. So it will be really accelerate in your brain also. That is the reason just rubbing it, and there is a small heat also that is put in your body also. Okay, so this will help you to kind of an laziness, overcome your laziness. So that will be the first step. Then you need to have a strong god. Okay, you need to have a strong god, because for example, otherwise we will wake up every day, but if you are a strong god, you will put, and you will, your mind will, your simple will be attacked or the mind. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling, like, you have a strong god. For example, anything, because we all are human, right? We have anywhere in a dream, for example, buy a home or bought a car or got a new job promotion, anything. So at least 31 days or 31 days or 21 days, whatever, it may be vary as a habit formatting. So I will help you to form this 5 ways of your habit. So that is my thing I'm giving to you. So in the 30 days or anything, but in the first 5 days we have a trial. I need only whoever want to be stick in the portion. So that is the one thing. So right today you have a time to think what is your strong goal you need to achieve in a 3 months of period or 4 months of period. For example, think like that. If you have a uh, there are different dreams, right? So different dreams you can put it, but prioritize one dream at a particular time. So that will be the first thing. Then that dream should be strong. So that is the another important factor, because if the dream is intensive and strong, what will happen? It will give more energy to wake up in the morning. Otherwise, it is not like a good. So that is the first thing. So every day before your bed, and for the next 3 months or 4 months before your bed, you just visualize it. And in the morning also, before you wake up in the bed, just visualize it and come to grab your hand. Just give a prayer to the universe also. After 5:30 to 6:30, you can allocate time to me. Okay, I will help you to do. So, what are the things we will focus? First, visualization. Then we will go some meditation kind of thing. Then we will go for some kind of affirmation. Okay. So you also, I will give you some kind of insights also. So these are the four next 5:30 to 6 o'clock we will be planned and plan our day. The when we completed this 6 o'clock, you can go and you can go for anything. For example, you need some kind of exercise, do it. And you need some kind of new things you need to learn. Okay, the new skills also you learn. So that is also will help you to improve your life every day, because I'm telling like that. When you think like that, when you sit alone, you feel not well. But if you learn a new skill, for example, singing or driving or dancing, anything, if you learn, because we all are human, we all are inbuilt, uh, there are some abilities also. So that is the one thing we want to dig it. When you wake up in the 5 a.m. or in the morning time, you can use some time for the meditation. You can think about that is the which is the inbuilt quality in ours. So find it and use it and polish it. So that is the one thing want in the world also, because we all are working professionals. We need a one kind of I'm telling like one kind of first is the salary, our income is salary. But if you increase our inbuilt quality, we can use for our serving others also. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you need to polish your inbuilt skills. So first, that is need to be identified. Team, anyone don't know their inbuilt skill, please let me in the chat. Then I'm giving some kind of quick exercise also. If you find your inbuilt skill also, inbuilt skill. That means already you have a bond, but you don't know what is your inbuilt skill. Please let me know in the chat also. If you really want, I will share one kind of thing, how to find your video. Tom, right? Okay, yeah. Please let me know if you're not able to, because you're thinking like I have some kind of skill inside, but I don't know what skill inside. For example, someone has a good presentation skill. Okay, someone has some teaching skill, but someone is more interested to interact in communication skill, and someone is more interested to yoga skill because someone is these skills are different from different. You think that which is the unique skill because every human is unique. You need to find a unique skill, polish it. So that is the one thing we can do in this human life. Okay, so that is a very important fact. Because I'm also thinking in the 1 year back, I'm telling like I'm also thinking what was the inbuilt skill? Like I'm not able to do all of things in my life, but I'm got a chance to went to a meditation center and for 5 days, I think 5 days without phone, without contact my family members, no one was there. Okay, so that time me and some kind of yoga instructors are there. That's it, yoga already attending people. But that time, what will happen? We know what are the things happen inside, what are the sounds happen inside. So that time I realized, oh, what are the inbuilt skills? Thinking about that one, what are the inbuilt skills? So you need to find it the inbuilt skill because, for example, I'm giving it. Today you don't have books, right? Team, if you have a books, please let me know. I'm giving a quick thing. Then okay, or tomorrow. Tomorrow you have some, yeah? Okay. I think we need more people. So tomorrow I will give a complete guidance how we can find the inner voice or inner talent. Then we can move into polishing that skill every day. That is maybe you have a coding skill, you have a communication skill, maybe some kind of thing we need to. We need to use the passion and we need to use the whatever the things we enjoy every day. So these are the things we will be discussing tomorrow. Okay. So I will help you. Don't worry. And yeah, so today we have some kind of guidance, right? I think hope you're good. So first thing, you just go today, and if you don't have the exercise in your habit, go for exercise. Do it at least 30 minutes of time. Then come back. Then at least read or any kind of book you have, anything. If you take your book, at least 10 pages, you read, just read it. Then come back to our position. Then come to, if you really interested to do yoga, 10 minutes meditation, 20 minutes guided meditation you can do. Then come to whatever you are sitting position, take care and take some time. For example, coding. Okay, if you are preparing for the placement, just prepare one hour of time for the coding. And if you're preparing any other thing, just take the 1 hour for that thing. So that will help you to. This is like a child. Today we are giving like a child, but tomorrow onwards we need to move this community. So you will get more time. So 1.5 hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour to complete focus. So that will definitely help you to transform your entire career or entire life. So think clear, right? So today I'm ending this session. Tomorrow, sharp 5:30 a.m. But before you need to think like this is some kind of goal in your in for the next 30 days or 45 days or any other because time period definitely that time period you need to mention and you need to think oh this is my goal for the next 30 days so I'm committed to this one anyway I will be wake up at 5 a.m. every day so this is your thing okay then what happened? It will be automatically comes into way. So that is the reason I'm creating this 5 a clip. Whoever want to achieve their dreams and all. Okay, that is the first thing you just do. Find it your ultimate goal. So tomorrow I'm giving a recap. Tomorrow I will help you to inner space. What are your inner skills you have? Before you need to do some kind of willpower. You need to do. Okay, I will tell you the willpower. One kind of small thing for example, you are running in a treadmill or something. you are setting before you went in your treadmill, you set in your mind 30 minutes or 20 minutes, you will wait, you will walk. But if you after the 20 or 25 minutes, your mind will say saying like that, what happened? Stop it, okay, stop it. But don't stop it. So that is the first thing you need to increase your willpower. You don't need to stop it, you just completed 30 minutes of walking. Then coming to the next one, when you enter your room is really messy or something. You just think, I need to put clean in your room. So first thing, that is the thing you think about. But when you middle of your cleaning, what will happen? You will think like your mind will say, "Nah, okay, okay, it's okay. Remaining we can do tomorrow." But don't do this. You can complete it. So this way, gradually we can increase our willpower for the next 6 or 7 days. Okay, this is the task for today. That you can easily wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Okay, yeah. Since so we can connect tomorrow at 5:30. So please be online. Believe me, for the next 6 days, next 5 days. Okay, so this is not confirmed. Next 5 days, believe me, we can complete transformation will happen. Okay, so tomorrow I will give you how the inner pace will be get notified. Okay, thank you, T. Thank you so much.